In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Mailchimp contacts. Navigating the digital world can be a bit daunting at times, especially when it comes to managing your email marketing lists. With platforms like Mailchimp, marketers and business owners have a powerful tool at their disposal to reach their audience. However, as your list grows and changes, it becomes important to keep it up to date and relevant. That's where archiving inactive or unengaged contacts comes into play. Archiving helps you focus on an audience that's interested in your content, which in turn can significantly improve your campaign's performance. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the Mailchimp dashboard. This is your central hub, where all the magic happens. To navigate to the section where you can manage your contacts, look for the Audience option. You'll typically find this in the top menu bar or within the dashboard's main navigation area. Clicking on this will direct you to the Audience Management area. Inside the Audience section, you'll find a comprehensive view of everyone on your mailing list. Here, you can see active subscribers, those who've unsubscribed, and even contacts who haven't confirmed their subscription yet. This section is crucial for understanding your audience dynamics. Now, it's time to select the contact or contacts you wish to archive. You might be wondering, why archive contacts? Well, archiving is beneficial for removing contacts that are no longer engaged without permanently deleting their information. This way, if they choose to re-engage with your brand later on, their history and data are preserved. To select a contact, simply click on their name or email address from the list. After selecting the contacts you wish to archive, look for the Archive button. Depending on your Mailchimp layout, this button might be located above the list of contacts or within a More Options menu, often represented by 3 dots. Clicking Archive will move these contacts out of your active list, thus cleaning up your audience for better targeting and engagement rates. And just like that, you've successfully archived contacts in Mailchimp. By keeping your list curated, you're taking a proactive step towards improving your email campaign's effectiveness. Remember, a more engaged audience means better open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, more conversions. Before we wrap up, here are a few extra tips to consider. Regularly review your contact list for inactive users and consider reaching out with re-engagement campaigns before deciding to archive them. This can sometimes turn inactive subscribers into active ones. Additionally, Mailchimp offers automation features that can help you manage your list more efficiently, so be sure to explore those options as well. I hope you found this guide helpful in managing your Mailchimp contacts. Keeping your list clean and engaged is essential in email marketing. By following the steps we discussed, you'll ensure that your audience consists of people who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer.